Bi, apa nggak enak? Uti mah nyucinya susah sayang.
Wah, sampah makanannya banyak ya Uti. Biasanya ini dibuang kemana?
Dibawa ke penampungan sampah yang sama depan.
Berarti dicampur sama anorganik juga ya?
Iya, nggak pisah-pisah.
Susah ya jadi.
Iya, susah jadinya.
Kalau dicampur gitu kan bisa menumpuk. Bisa jadi masalah nggak sih? Kalau gitu?
Ya, kayaknya deh. Gimana ya?
Do you know that food waste can cause a lot of problem for us?
Such as overloading landfill. If food waste overload a landfill, it will cause harm to the environment too.
Yes, because when organic compounds and food waste starts decomposing, it will release methane gases to the atmosphere. It also have a high risk of potentially harming the soils around the landfill.
So, to solve problem like this, people create things to compost food waste. Takakura method is one example.
But this composting method has its own problem. They need so much maintenance that at this point, people are just too lazy to use them.
Because of this, we are inspired to make a tabless prototype.
Hello everyone, I am Hilda Aisya
And I am Arabel.
We are from SMA Unggulan Rus.
As the finalists for ISPO in the category of Robotic and Technologies, we are going to present our research with the title of
A Tabless, Let's
Waste Better World. The purpose of this research is to develop a prototype composter that adds the value of the conventional Takakura composter and optimizing the Takakura composter to be more user-friendly in terms of use and maintenance as well as output quality.
This research arises from some problem formulation that basically to find out an efficient solution for dumping food waste safely and to answer how effective is the use and design of the established modified prototype in 13 domestic ways.
To make this prototype, the first step is to custom make the body with iron or aluminum plates. We suggest using aluminum because we need a material that doesn't rust.
And then you need to also customize the turbine shape stirrer about 15 cm and the grinder.
After that, you can begin assembling the parts of the soil moisture sensor to the LCD, Arduino, relay, and water pump. The last step is to assemble everything you have. Before using, don't forget to add ready-made compost as the starter for the composting process.
Tada! Your ATA Plus prototype is ready to compost.
To show you how to assemble the parts of the microcontroller.
First, you'll need to connect your Arduino Uno with your laptop. And then you can input your program into your Arduino Uno. After that, you can start to assemble all the parts. Like these I2C modules, the GND goes into the Arduino Uno's GND, the VCC goes into the Arduino's 5V, and the SDA and SCL of the module goes into the SDA and SCL of Arduino Uno. And then the relay. The GND in the relay connects to the GND in the Arduino Uno. The VCC goes into the VIN, and then the input 1 goes into D2 of Arduino Uno. This is the TEC-11 module. First, you connect it into the sensor. After that, you can continue to assemble it with the Arduino Uno. The VCC goes into 5V in Arduino Uno. The GND goes to the GND in Arduino Uno, and the A0 goes into A0 of Arduino Uno. Ta-da! And then you can take your batteries, and you can also prepare the relay. Plug the first battery into the jackless battery holder. The positive cables goes into the NO of the relay. Make sure you secure it tightly. Then you can take your pump. The positive one can be put in the COM of relay. Make sure you secure it tightly. And then both of the negative cable can be tied into one. And then take your other batteries and plug it to the battery holder with a jack. Plug the jack into the Arduino Uno. As you can see, the lamps are now on, and you can read the moisture in the LCD.
The detailed specification of ATA Plus are shown on this table. Output quality check. Next, we let the ATA Plus do its job on producing compost. Some parameters that are being investigated are the compost pH, water content, soil moist, smells, color, and the temperature. The detailed results are shown here.
Uti kan udah pakai nih ATA Plusnya. Gimana perasaan Uti dengan alat ini?
Senang banget Uti, karena udah buang sampah, ini bisa dijadikan kompos.
So, be like Uti, someone who is aware of the dangers of food waste. So, use ATA Plus. Less food waste, better world.